Hello and everywhere. This is a Copycat episode of Draws a Taste of Home. So can you go down now? Or you still want to be with Mama? Huh? Okay, go down. Go down? Yes? Okay, go down. Hello everyone! This is a Copycat episode of Draws a Taste of Home. When I had my business trip in the US of A, I am blessed to get the chance to taste the food from the Boiling Frog restaurant in San Jose, California. It was free. I don't afford it. So that was way back 2014. And since then, it was a memory that never forgotten. Because their sauce makes me crazy. Wow. Years had passed and I have tried and searched on how to make their sauce. And now, I am going to share it with you guys as part of the holiday season recipes. Without further ado, let's start on cleaning the shrimps.
We need 1 kg of shrimps, 2 empty bowls of big and small, a scissor and a barbecue stick. It's time to clean the shrimps. Remove the antenna using your scissor. And now, you have to stretch the abdomen and poke it with your barbecue stick to get off the intestine. You have to pull it up slowly and pull it with your hands to get off it totally. Repeat that for the rest of the shrimps. Let's start to mix the spices for the sauce. 2 tablespoons of parsley garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon all spices, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cardamom, 1 teaspoon mustard powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoon paprika, 3 pieces chopped dried bay leaf. Now mix it up and set aside for later use. Prepare your 1/2 kg of sausage. Peel your 3 pieces medium potato and cut it into cubes. Don't forget to prep your 2 pieces corn. Now fry your sausage into the pan. Pre-cook your potato into the boiling water. That will be the same for your corn. huge pan and start to cook the sauce. We need 1 cup unsalted butter and 3/4 cup of margarine. It's time to put our spices. Stir it thoroughly to blend with our butter and margarine. Let's add 3 tablespoons of kahun seasoning. Stir it well and add 3 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce. One more stir before adding 2 tablespoons of paprika. There you go. We have our boiling crab sauce. Now it's time to add the shrimps. Sausages and potatoes. And let it simmer for 3 minutes in a low-level heat. After that, you may now add your corns. After 5 minutes of stirring with medium heat, you have your shrimp in a boiling crab style. This is a perfect dish for holidays, everyone. Try this and you can get enough. Until our next Copycat episode here in Dros, a Taste of Home. Happy holidays!